Assalamualaikum students, how are you all? I hope you will be fine. Students, today we are going to solve question number 1 part 15 of exercise number 3.2. As you can see that here is our part 15, 635 minus curly bracket into bracket we have 2244 with base 5 minus in bracket we have 1243 with base 5 minus in bracket we have 110111 with base 2 curly bracket. Students, as you can see that in questions we have different bases given to us. Firstly, we will convert this base numbers into our decimal numbers, then we will perform the respective functions which they gave to us. Now students, let's start our solution. First of all, we will write a statement, convert all the numbers into decimal number system. Our first number given to us is 2244 with base 5. First we will convert it into the decimal number system. You all know that how to convert a base number into decimal number. First we will multiply all the given digits into a base. Then we will give exponent to them and then we will solve it. Firstly we will write 2 into 5 because 5 is the base, plus 2 into 5 plus 4 into 5 plus 4 into 5. Now we will give exponent from right towards left. 0, 1, 2, 3. 2 will write as it is into 5 raised to power 3 means we will multiply 5 3 times. After the multiplication we got 125 plus 2 as it is into 5 square means 25 plus 4 as it is into 5 raised to power 1 means 5 plus 4 into 1, because as you all know that when we have zero exponent we is supposed to be, and we all know that this is a law that when any number have exponent 0 it is equal to 1. Now we will multiply 2 into 125 we got 250 plus 2 into 25 we got 50 plus 4 into 5 we got 20 plus 4 into 1 we got 4. When we add all the given numbers we got 324. Now let's move towards our second number given to us, which is 1243 with base 5. We'll multiply all the digits with its base first. 1 into 5 plus 2 into 5 plus 4 into 5 plus 3 into 5. Now we will give exponent starting from 0, 0, 1, 2, 3. 1 will write as it is into 5 cube means 125 plus 2 as it is into 5 square means 25 plus 4 into 5 raised to power 1 means 5 plus 3 into 1. Now we will multiply 1 into 125 we got 125 plus 2 into 25 we got 50 plus 4 into 5 we got 20 plus 3 into 1 we got 3. Now we add all the numbers, we have 198. Now students, here is our binary number given to us 110111 with base 2. Firstly we will multiply all the given digits into the base. 1 into 2 plus 1 into 2 plus 0 into 2 plus 1 into 2 plus 1 into 2 plus 1 into 2. Now we give exponent from right towards left, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now 1 will write as it is into 2 raised to power 5 means 32 plus 1 into 16 because 2 raised to power 4 is equal to 16 plus 0 into 8 because 2 cube is equal to 8 plus 1 into 4 plus 1 into 2 plus 1 into 1. Now we will multiply 1 into 32 we got 32 plus 1 into 16 we got 16 plus 0 into 8 we got 0 plus 1 into 4 we got 4 plus 1 into 2 we got 2 plus 1 into 1 is equal to 1. Now we add all the numbers, we have the sum 55. Now students, we will write the question again, then we will write the answers against each number system given to us, then we will solve it. Here is our question given to us, then we will write 635 as it is minus into curly bracket we wrote 324 because when we convert this number into decimal number system we got our answer 324 minus 198 minus 55 within a brackets. Now 635 will written as it is minus within a brackets we will write 324 as it is. We will combine the negative numbers, then we got minus 253. Now we will subtract 253 from 324 we got 71. Now we will subtract 71 from 635 we got 564, which is our answer. Now students, let's move towards our question number 2. Here is our question number 2. Evaluate and express the answer with bases 2, 5 and 8. Students, in this question you solve the questions Firstly we will convert the base numbers into our decimal numbers, then we will solve it. After the solution we will convert the answer into base 2, base 5 and base 8. Now students, let's start our solution with our part 2. 248 plus within a brackets we have 3 1 2 4 with base 5 minus within a bracket we have 1 1 0 1 1 0 with base 2. Now student, firstly we will convert these two base numbers into decimal number system, starting from 3 1 2 4 with base 5. Firstly we will multiply all the digits with its base. 3 into 5 plus 1 into 5 plus 2 into 5 plus 4 into 5. Now we will give exponent to them. 0 1 2 3. 3 will write as it is into 5 cube means 125 plus 1 as it is into 5 square means 25 plus 2 into 5 plus 4 into 1. Now we will multiply 3 into 125 we got 375 plus 1 into 25 we got 25 plus 2 into 5 we got 10 plus 4 into 1 we got 4. Now when we add all the numbers we have our answer 414. Now student, this is our binary number. First we will convert it into the decimal number. We will multiply all the given digits with the base, which is 2. 1 into 2 plus 1 into 2 plus 0 into 2 plus 1 into 2 plus 1 into 2 plus 0 into 2. Now we will give exponent 0 1 2 3 4 5. Now we will write 1 as it is into 32 because 2 raised to power 5 is equal to 32 plus 1 into 16 because 2 raised to power 4 is equal to 16 plus 0 as it is into 2 cube means 8 plus 1 into 4 because 2 square means 4 plus 1 into 2 plus 0 into 1. Now we will multiply 1 into 32 we got 32 plus 1 into 16 we got 16 plus 0 into 8 we got 0 plus 1 into 4 we got 4 plus 1 into 2 we got 2 plus 0 into 1 we got 0. When we add all the numbers we got the sum 54. Now we will write the question again and we will write the answers of the base which we have gained from converting the base number into decimal numbers. We will write 240 as it is plus 414 minus 54. We will add both numbers. We got 662 minus 54 as it is, and when we subtract 54 from 662 we got 608. Now student, this is our answer, but we will convert into binary numbers, then in our base 5 number system, then in octal number, starting from our binary number. Firstly we will write convert 608 into the binary system with base 2. Now here is our successive division method when we convert a decimal number into the base number. When we divide 608 with 2, we got 2 3s are 6 0 as it is, and 2 4s are 8. There is no reminder, so we will write here 0. 2 1s are 2, 1 carry here makes 10, 2 5s are 10, 2 2s are 4, and here is reminder 0. 2 7s are 14, 1 carry here makes 12, 2 6 are 12, and 0 is a reminder. Then 2 3s are 6, 1 carry it makes 16, 2 8s are 16, and 0 is reminder. 2 1s are 2, 1 carry it makes 18, 2 9s are 18, and 0 is our reminder. Then 2 9s are 18, there is one reminder, so we will write here. 2 4s are 8, one reminder, we will write here. 2 2s are 4, there is no reminder, so we will write here 0. 2 1s are 2, and here is reminder 0. As you all know that how we write the answer, starting from 1 0 and then from downward to the upward. 1 0 0 1 1 0 0 0 0 0 with base 2 is our answer into the binary system. Now we convert 608 into the base 5 number system. Firstly we will write the statement. Now convert 608 into the base 5 number system. We will divide 608 with the base 5. 5 ones are 5, 1 carry to the next digit it makes 10, 5 2s are 10, 5 ones are 5, and 3 is the remainder. Then 5 2s are 10, 2 carry to the next digit here makes 21, 5 4s are 20, and 1 is the remainder. 5 4s are 20, and 4 is the remainder. Our answer is 4413 with base 5. Now we will convert 608 into the octal number system. We will divide it with 8. 8 7s are 56. We gave carry 4 to the next digit it makes 48. 8 6 are 48, then 0 is the remainder. 8 9s are 72 and 4 is the remainder. 8 1s are 8 and 1 is the remainder. So our answer is 1140 with base 8. So students, we will write our answer as 608 is our answer, is equal to, in binary number we got 10011000000 with base 2. 608 in base 5 is 4413 with base 5. 608 into octal is 1140 with base 8. This is our answer.